Good morning. I am Greg at the Pocatello National Weather Service office with the weather hazard briefing for Wednesday, January 5th. And the headline today is rain, snow, and wind will be continuing. The key points, this is pretty much just a continuation from what was presented yesterday. We have round two of the series of storms continuing today. And again, we're going to get another batch of rain and snow Wednesday night and Thursday, and then the final precipitation will come Friday and Saturday with the main upper trough and final cold front passing through. Big thing for today is much warmer temperatures. We are expecting snow to mix with rain in the lower elevations through Friday. Temperatures have already risen above freezing in the Magic Valley, and snow has turned to rain across Twin Falls, Burley, and Jerome this morning. And temperatures are very close to freezing at 4:30 a.m. in Pocatello and Idaho Falls. So again, we do expect some of these lower elevations to rise above freezing and see some snow mix with or even turn to rain as we go through the day. Heavy snow in the mountains, especially the eastern mountains, this morning and this afternoon. We continue to have a risk of blowing and drifting snow where the temperatures are colder, especially the southern mountains, driving across Interstate 84 to the Utah border. We are expecting strong winds in those areas. And here is the satellite. You can see the flow, very strong northwesterly flow. An extensive moisture pushing in from the northwestern Pacific over the entire state of Idaho. So that flow is going to continue for a couple more days, and we are expecting the precipitation to continue. Here's the weather risk outlook. Again, at least a moderate risk most areas today. Again, rain will mix with the snow in the Snake Plain, Magic Valley, Southern Hills. This afternoon, the other areas pretty much all snow throughout the day. And then the next system, again, the moderate risks in the eastern mountains, central mountains, with lower risks elsewhere. And again, by tomorrow, expecting it to mainly be all rain in the Magic Valley and Snake River Plain. And that trend will continue into Friday and Saturday, and again, we will turn colder again Saturday as the cold front moves through, and what remains of the precipitation will be all snow, even at the lowest elevations by Saturday. So again, very active. I think today will probably be the worst day for travel. Thursday, especially the morning commute today, you're going to have pretty widespread snow-covered roads across many areas this morning. And then Thursday, Friday, the snow mainly confined to high elevations. And here are the watches and warnings today. You can see we have a winter storm warning for the Stanley to Sun Valley area, the southeast, southwestern mountains near the Nevada border, covering the Pomerelski area. And again, the Idaho Wasatch and the eastern mountains bordering Wyoming. Soda Springs north towards Driggs, those mountainous areas in that region, and winter weather advisories pretty much everywhere else. And the snow amounts from last night, generally an inch or two in the Snake River Plain. We had 2 to 5 inches in many areas of the central mountains, eastern mountains as well. Snow amounts for the rest of today should be reducing the amount of snow across the central mountains, Snake River Plain. The heaviest snow is again going to be in the southern mountains and eastern mountains, where locally up to a foot may fall at some of the elevations above 7,000 feet. Generally 4 to 8 inches across most of the other areas of the eastern mountains will be widespread. Snow amounts tonight, again, mainly in the southeastern corner, those mountains, 1 to 3 inches additional accumulations. High temperatures today, as I said, are going to be much warmer. Again, approaching 40, Twin Falls to Burley, upper 30s through American Falls to Pocatello, and even Idaho Falls will likely slip above freezing today. Most of the mountain areas generally upper 20s to lower 30s. And here are the wind gusts I was talking about. You can see widespread 30 to 40 mile per hour gusts. across the southern mountains, generally southeast of Twin Falls, through Burley, and then the mountains south of there. Again, Interstate 84 could see 30 to 40 mile per hour gusts. And again, very breezy, especially high elevations, central mountains into the Snake Plain. So again, a very windy day is expected, especially after sunrise. And again, continuing this afternoon. Snowfall amounts on Thursday with the Nexus. You can see getting into 4 to 6 inch amounts at the Stanley area, up around Galena Summit, and again, the eastern mountains, 4 to 8 inches will be possible. Generally 1 to 3 inches below 6,000 feet. And again, most of the Snake River Plain will be into rain by Thursday. You can see many areas into the 40s from Twin Falls to Burley, up through Blackfoot. And even the mountain areas, some lower elevations could get into the mid to upper 30s. And Friday, again, one more very mild day, well above normal temperatures are expected. Snowfall amounts Friday, generally, again, some of the higher elevations could get 3 to 6 inches. Nothing up the interstate corridor for the most part from Twin Falls through Idaho Falls. And again, mainly a mountain event on Friday. And then the cold front moves through, and we're going to be back to normal high temperatures by Saturday. So temperatures are going to cool down significantly once the final upper-level trough moves through with this system. And a quick look at the 6 to 10 day outlook. January 10th through 14th, we're going to get a large high pressure, and we're likely going to get inversions. So most of southern Idaho, a better chance of below normal temperatures. And you can see this wet weather trend is expected to end with high pressure moving in behind the cold front on Saturday, and very, very high chance of below normal precipitation that January 10th through the 14th period. And to summarize, again, very active snow continuing today. Could turn to rain. It already has turned to rain in the eastern Magic Valley. And much of the Snake River Plain could mix with or change to rain as the event continues. Another round of snow and rain Wednesday night and Thursday, and yet again Friday and Saturday as the upper trough finally moves through. We're expecting the warmer temperatures, as I've mentioned many times, rain in the lower elevations, especially Thursday and Friday. And a risk of blowing and drifting snow with high winds where we have the colder temperatures. So that could produce some reduced visibility on roadways, crossing mountain passes especially. And that concludes the briefing for today. Again, very active, wet 2-week pattern is going to continue. If you have any questions, call us at the number listed here 24 hours a day or visit our website. Thank you, and everyone have a good day.